What if I told you that you could make an extra $20,000 in just 8 weeks using trending topics, free tools, and zero inventory? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, grab your coffee and stay tuned because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Trends are the secret sauce to quick profits. Every time there's a major national event, whether it's an election, a Super Bowl, or even the latest internet craze, people go wild for themed merchandise. That's your opportunity to shine. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, grab your coffee and stay tuned because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Trends are the secret sauce to quick profits. In today's video, we're riding the Trump merchandise wave because love him or hate him, his merch is selling faster than concert tickets. And guess what? You can cash in too. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on turning trends into income. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The first step is spotting what's trending. Right now, Trump re-election merch is hotter than a summer BBQ. So let's use that as an example. Go to Google and search for trending terms like Trump re-election merchandise or top Trump slogans. This gives you an idea of what's selling. Want to spice things up? Use ChatGPT. Just type, generate 5 catchy slogans for Trump's re-election campaign. Within seconds, you'll have different slogans, and boom, your creative juices are flowing. First step is, if ChatGPT gives you a slogan that's too boring, just ask it again. AI has off days too. Next, let's create your merchandise. Don't worry, no artistic skills are required here. Go to Printful or Printify and create a free account. Find a Trump image on Google. Make sure it's copyright free or stock. Upload the image to Printful's design editor. Make sure to use Printful free background remover in order to make it look polished. Add your catchy slogan wherever you like, front, back, or even sleeve. Play around with sizing until it looks just right. Congratulations, you just designed a t-shirt that's ready to sell. Now it's time to sell. Platforms like Amazon and Etsy make this easy, and you can sell anonymously, so no one needs to know you're the mastermind behind the merch. Head to Amazon and create a seller account. Their Merch by Amazon program connects directly with print-on-demand services. Set up an Etsy shop. It's beginner-friendly and attracts customers who love unique designs. Sync your products with Printful and let them handle everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. You just sit back and collect your profits. It's like having a personal assistant, except this one never asks for a raise. Let's talk numbers. Selling a t-shirt for $20 and moving just 100 units per week can earn you $16,000 in 8 weeks. Add mugs, hats, or flags, and you're easily hitting $20,000 or more. The best part? You didn't touch inventory or a single shipping box. And hey, if Trump merch isn't your thing, remember, this method works with any trending topic: sports teams, holidays, or even funny memes. Flexibility is the name of the game. A few tips to maximize your profits: focus on quality designs. People love eye-catching merch. Keep experimenting with other items like hats or mugs. They're big sellers too. And remember, timing is everything. Trends don't last forever, so jump in while the buzz is hot. I get it, the last few weeks have been a roller coaster for many, but why not turn the chaos into cash? Wouldn't you rather have an extra $20,000 in your pocket than just sit around doom scrolling? The choice is yours. If you're ready to start, here's your homework. Use ChatGPT for slogans, sign up for Printful, and create your first product today. Share your designs in the comments, and I'll personally review them and give you tips. This is a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's make some money together. See you in the next video.